soda, please. Yeah. Give it 10 of this. 10 of this. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, just the Minister Ron County wants to buy one of James drawing paintings. Just come here. Okay? Yeah.
We now welcome our young athletes Julie to give us a session along with the students. Can you all please first my friends?
I have autism, I hear voices in my head. They warn me about a threat that loves at my journey. A mob to play news, I have super hearing, they can jump to car. Game twisting stories to prediction. Gaining fame, is my answer. Loving is particularly like game. Love, pain, friendship, gift, and sweet. My passion is writing scripts to get me some hits. Everybody will love. Like a eye in a dragon, or a big down with green figures, or a base potato movie. Only of the battle, I see and toy. I feel of it. If everything and awesome, really condition. Beauty, romance, and connection foods. Thank you.
Very nice, huh? Very nice. I want this one.
Please take it, sir.
How much is this?
No, they're not for sale, but for you, I want to give you one. No, really. We got them only for display, but then I want you to keep one.
Yeah, I want me to, but I want to buy them.
No, sir. That's for you.
No, no.
They're not priceless.
This price them. Tell me how much.
Change it as a remembrance of myself.
I appreciate what charges. Tell me, there is cost involved, right? Nothing. Let me just.
Take them. Please take them. Please take.
You give it to me. Take one. No, no, it's okay, it's okay. Thank you.
What did I say? Oh, welcome.
I'm doing it. Good job.
People with and without disabilities living together in the township
Yeah, I can do this.
Yes. So these are some of our products. Monday to Friday we have a work program. We have gardening.
Can I buy this?
Sure.
How much is that? I've taken a player. How are you? So what is the role you guys are playing? This is ties. How old is ties? Elizabeth. Hi. What is this? Rico money?
Yes.
Huh? How much is that? That's for them. 1, 2, 3. Hi. Hi.
Others is against with autism and autonomical disorder, and they with faculty teachers and they teach us different types of sessions like arts, culinary, then cooking culinary, art and handicrafts, cafe management, store management.
You like it?
Yes, and then football, FC Goa.
Oh. So you met the players
Drills
of
and all.
FC?
Yes. Drills and all. FC got
So they come to one place or how?
Yes, so we're Lalati, a professional skills training center
Where is it?
in Alvana.
Very good.
like our
Let's go to the chapel.
one
Look at the chapel.
nearby Auxilium Road.
Hey, get it. Chapel. What chapel? Anything more? Get it. Then 3-4.
Thank you.
Anything will learn. Get it. Have you paid more? No, middle. I'm sorry, Manani.
Hi, on this day, autism day.
Ah, you are the one? Oh, nice meeting you again. But without the Santa Claus.
She asked, how are you doing?
Good, what
And
about you?
she fine, thank you.
You five.
And say congratulations.
Ah, the license. Ah, thank you.
Okay, photo-post ko na, makasay ko. Thank you.
हाय सर एक फोटो
많이 오면 원래 어떻게
뭐라고?
더 있잖아. 많이 오. 응, 뒤에. 네. 많이 당아? चलो ऑटिज्म डे मध्ये ऑटिज्म अवेयरनेस डे
Then we are ready to give a shot to Julie and
सर आयचं ऑटिझम डे तुम्ही अवेअरनेस करतात त्याच्याबद्दल ऑटिझमाबद्दल तुम्ही किती सांगा आयच्या अवेअरनेसबद्दल
आज वर्ल्ड ऑटिझम डे आणि आय थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग टाईज थ्रू एलिझाबेथ अँड द होल टीम हॅव ऑर्गनाइज्ड अ लवली इव्हनिंग फॉर एव्हरीबडी ऑटिझम आम्ही ज्यांना म्हणतात अ चाइल्ड विथ स्पेशल नीड्स इट्स समथिंग विच रिअली अ केअर इज रिक्वायर्ड द फॅमिली नोज इट बेस्ट we feel for it and we think we need to do something. They are working towards inclusive thought that is required so that a child doesn't feel different from the rest of the children. Gets an opportunity, gets a platform. एक पॉलिसी तयार करपाक हांवें मनोहर पर्रीकर तेन्ना तयार करपाक हातान घेतिल्ली which would include everybody, not only up to the age of 16, but vocational करून फुडें वचपाक सुद्दां तांकां कशें दवरप कित्याक भुरगीं जशीं वाडटा each one, a child with special need does need more attention, does need more support. And one is the family, one is the society, and one is the government. I think everything needs to come together. And ताज्या खातीर spreading awareness about it is very important. आयच्या दिसाक guys have organized this along with आमचो Nainil the art park, giving an opportunity for everyone to come and showcase their talent, come and meet each other, and very importantly spread a very important word of awareness to everybody that inclusive is very important. ताज्या खातीर तांकां कितें तेंको जाय तें आमी आसाच. आयच्या तारखेन पर्वच्या वाठारान एलिझाबेथ कुरियन आनी तांच्या सगळ्या वांगड्यांनी जे ऑर्गनायज केलें आय थिंक इट्स समथींग वर्थ अ प्रेज. आय थिंक दीस जस्ट अ स्टार्ट एंड देर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स मोर टू बी डन. सो एज वी सेलिब्रेट द वर्ल्ड ऑटिझम डे ऑन 2nd of April, there are a lot of things that need to be done as far as Goa is concerned, so that every child who is special feels that he's taken care of in a most normal way and finds inclusion in the society.
I want to see you clapping loud. I want to give a loud cheer, and I want to see those smiles alive once again. And for the kids who are still there to give your artwork, we are waiting for you. Can we all see you give your artwork because it's already time up? So come down to join us on stage.
A very good evening to all of you. Elizabeth, you should come here. When Elizabeth came with this thought, I think a thought which is close to everybody, it's something that everyone feels about. And we need to spread that awareness. I'm really happy that she's been able to organize this event out here. A World Autism Day being celebrated to spread the awareness. We talk about percentages of the population for a child with special needs. We talk about statistics, but I think there's a lot to be done. And a very important thought is being inclusive. An inclusion thought which we have been categorically talking about. I remember with Manohar Parrikar, then we tried to get a policy together where we would be having things to get put and the resources come up, the resource rooms come up. Elizabeth, I think, has been quite instrumental in getting all these things sorted as far as education for the child is concerned. But when we talk about the vertical, there is a lot of more things to be done. A child to be housed as they age, we need a lot to be done. Autism, or locomotive. There are so many things where the child with special needs needs special attention, special needs, and I think the family knows it the best. I too have my relations, the children. A child is autistic. I know what goes through. There are a lot of sacrifices that need to be done, and I think the least that we can do, being a part of a society, is to support those thoughts. I can only extend my support to Elizabeth and the thoughts when a child is autistic or a child with special need, when we talk about inclusion in the society, inclusion in the schools, ensuring that everybody is equal, she has done a good job. I think whatever more support is required, we will always be there. आजच्या गुढीपाडव्याच्या दिवसात तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना शुभेच्छा देता. When I came in, I could see a lot of stalls, children having done a lot of things, having put up on display. Things I think which really need to be appreciated. I think Elizabeth, you have done a great job giving them a platform and giving them a chance to, yeah.
It's just not me, I'm just representing the parents. We are a whole lot of parents from the ties.
I fully understand.
We are called towards inclusion everywhere in society. And in 2003, when we started the first inclusive classroom in the Holy Cross Bastora, late Mr. Parikar came and supported inclusion at that time. And he came and actually sat on a small chair and sat in the classroom. And that was the start of inclusion, not only in Goa, but all over India. We were models for inclusion at that time. It has been a struggle. And 10 years ago, we had in 2013, we did have a decennial celebration. Mr. Rohan County had come at that time and graced the occasion. So we are fortunate to have you with our journey, and we hope to have you forward. We as parents have struggled for education. Now our children have become adults. We need help for vocational training. We do not have help at all for residential care and respite care. And that is why we don't have much parents here today. Many parents do not have respite care to look after their children. And we need schemes for education of caregivers. We need schemes for residential homes. And we hope you will take our vision forward. It's a humble request that you look into that. And we are so thankful to this park. They have done, you can see the lights all lit up blue. Thanks to the Porvorim Rising committee which he heads. We have got full support from Mr. Rohan County, and we hope we will have support every time. Thank you.
Definitely, Elizabeth. I still have all the support, whatever you
We
need.
would request
Creating what is required.
somebody from Owl House, a child, to come and give a token of memento. So, calling somebody from Owl House to come and give a token of appreciation to Mr. Rohan County. Any child from the Owl House?
Requesting a child from the Owl House to please come and join us on the stage to give a token of appreciation to Mr. Rohan County. And also a huge round of applause for his presence right here today on the World Autism Day. Well, it's a special evening dedicated to each one of you. Well, dear friends, your applause should not die down. It should be heard all over Porvorim. It's a day of celebration. We are celebrating each and every child out here.
These planters are part of the gardening vocational training done at the Owl House. They are made by the children. It is a productive venture by Owl House, and please support Owl House for such ventures, to understand that our children also can be productive members of the society. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And moving ahead with